GPO Europe AC plug 5V2. 1 again charger fast charging GaN Type-C PD3. 0 quick plug-in for phone mobile notebook laptop. GPO Fast Europe AC plug 5V2. 1 again GaN Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger can be applied to Latops, tablet, Macbook Air, Macbook Pro 16, smartphone, compatible Samsung Mobile, Apple iPhone, Xiaomi. Output voltage and current 12V1, 25A, 9V2A, 5V2, 4A, 5V4, 5A, 6V6, 5V3A, 5V2, 4A, 9V5A, 5V9V2A, 1V2A, 20V, 9V12V1, 5A, 9V1, 67A, 5V2A, 5V1A, 5V3A, 5V4A, 5V2, 1A, 12V5A, 1V2, 4A, 5V1, 2A, 5V1, 5A, 1V2, 1A, 12V1, 5A,